In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your location on Snapchat. First, go to your camera icon and take a quick photo. To add a customized location, then tap on the sticker icon in the right-hand side of your screen and hit on location. Once you're here, just search for the preferred location, both if you have something specific in mind or if it's a random address. And hit suggest a place. If there are other suggested addresses, you just need to scroll down and eventually suggest a place button will be there and you still need to select it. So once you're here, you will need to fill in the address and a category. You can see which categories are present by hitting on Tap to Add Category. And as you can see, there's plenty of them. Just choose the one that fits best and add all this other information. And finally hit on Submit and wait for Snapchat to approve of the location. So this is the way to do it. Hope you found this video helpful. I would appreciate it if you liked it, and I will see you next time.